Every brick begins its life beneath the surface of the earth.
This land holds the raw strength that shapes our cities.
Extraction begins with controlled force and precision. The earth is opened carefully, layer by layer. Raw material is gathered in its most natural form. Scale is essential for continuous production.
Quality control starts before the factory ever appears.
The right moisture defines strength and durability.
Raw clay waits for its journey forward. Movement begins the transformation process. Oversized material is reduced before processing. Impurities are removed by trained hands. The flow must never stop.
Gravity assists the journey.
Every load is accounted for. The raw material prepares to leave the field. The earth is now in motion. And the journey to the factory begins. Moving raw material is a race against time and condition. Every kilometer preserves the clay's natural balance. Logistics move in formation, not isolation. The journey shifts from terrain to infrastructure. Industry begins long before the factory gate. Human judgment guides every ton of material.
Even transport follows strict oversight.
Every factory depends on synchronized movement. The destination now defines the journey. Raw earth meets controlled systems.
Nothing enters without verification.
Material integrity is confirmed on arrival.
Authorization opens the flow. The factory absorbs the raw material. Every route is planned for efficiency. Processing begins at the receiving point. The raw journey ends where transformation begins. Every factory begins with controlled intake.
Human checks remain essential, even at scale.
Gravity becomes the first processing tool. Raw material meets industrial flow. Speed is controlled before power. Movement draws material inside. The boundary between outside and inside disappears.
Man and machine enter together.
Inside, the environment changes instantly.
Material is guided, not forced.
Air quality protects both product and people. Size begins to matter. Unwanted elements are redirected. Nothing enters the process by accident. Clean material moves forward without pause. Purity improves with controlled washing. Waste is separated, not ignored. Uniformity is enforced through motion. Nothing escapes refinement. Consistency is restored. Hidden threats are silently removed. Protection extends to every detail.
Human judgment reinforces machines.
Balance is restored before shaping. The material is now ready. Final approval is mechanical. Prepared material awaits transformation. The core process begins now. Preparation gives way to creation. Here, raw material becomes workable matter. Uniformity is built through force and repetition. Moisture is measured, never guessed. Small inputs shape final strength.
Precision is monitored in real time.
The material now behaves as one. Air is removed to prevent future weakness. Density is locked in. Pressure defines form. Shape is introduced here. Uniformity becomes visible. Human sense still matters. Tolerance is enforced mechanically. Flow must remain balanced. Thermal stability protects form. Shaping prepares for division. Alignment defines accuracy. The moment before multiplication.
One becomes many. The bricks are born.
Freshly formed bricks remain fragile.
Handling must be careful at this stage. Spacing determines survival. Moisture must leave slowly. Controlled airflow prevents cracking.
Water escapes. Structure remains.
Time replaces force. Readiness is verified digitally. The bricks are prepared for fire. The most intense stage begins.
Fire awaits.
Heat transforms clay into stone. Precision robotics now handle the delicate task of stacking our freshly fired bricks. Chemical bonds are rewritten.
Every brick moves in perfect harmony with automated conveyors and robotic precision.
Strength is forged here. Advanced vision systems ensure only flawless bricks proceed down the line.
Fire is controlled, never wild.
Defective units are automatically separated, maintaining uncompromised quality.
Cooling must be gradual. Pallets are loaded with consistent speed, reducing human fatigue and error. Stress is released, not shocked.
Heat sensors constantly track brick temperatures for optimal quality.
The transformation is complete.
Automation extends beyond stacking to secure packaging of finished bricks.
From earth and fire, permanence is born. Robots now transport pallets seamlessly across the facility. Now, precision refines strength.
Smart software calculates optimal stacking patterns for stability and efficiency.
Multiple production lines merge without interruption. maintaining continuous throughput. Minor imperfections are corrected automatically, ensuring flawless pallets.
Safety protocols are integrated at every automation stage.
Each pallet is digitally tagged for inventory and tracking. Forklifts now work in harmony with automation, reducing manual labor.
Automated verification guarantees every stack meets exact standards.
Conveyor speed adjusts dynamically to maintain optimal production flow.
Integrated extraction keeps the environment safe and clean.
Automation completes its cycle, delivering flawless pallets to the final stage.
Stacks arrive at the finishing line, ready for the final touches. Surface polishing ensures each brick has a flawless exterior. Edges are carefully smoothed for safer handling and better fit in construction. High-speed lasers verify every brick meets exact size specifications. Minor misalignments are corrected automatically to ensure uniform stacks. Every brick is marked for tracking and inventory management. Vibration ensures stable, uniform stacking for easier handling. Automated scales verify each brick meets strict weight standards. Precision robots perfect stack alignment before packaging.
Wrapping protects the bricks during transport and storage.
Each pallet is tagged accurately for inventory tracking.
Safety systems ensure human workers and machines operate harmoniously. Automated transport brings finished bricks efficiently to storage.
Every pallet is precisely positioned for optimal space usage. Pallets are oriented perfectly for transport and storage efficiency.
With finishing complete, pallets now move into rigorous quality inspection. Every pallet enters the quality control lab for thorough inspection. A first visual inspection filters out any obvious defects. Dimensions are verified to ensure exact compliance with specifications. Compression tests measure each brick's structural strength. Water absorption tests ensure bricks can withstand environmental moisture. Thermal testing confirms durability under extreme heat. Freeze-thaw cycles simulate winter conditions to test long-term durability. Color consistency ensures aesthetic quality across batches. Automated imaging catches even the smallest imperfections invisible to the eye. Automated imaging catches even the smallest imperfections invisible to the eye.
Precise weight checks guarantee uniformity and quality control.
Random sampling ensures even small inconsistencies are caught.
Chemical analysis verifies materials meet strict production standards.
Moisture content tests prevent shrinkage or cracking during use. Every brick undergoes a final visual inspection before approval. All quality data is logged digitally for full traceability.
With quality verified, the bricks are prepared for packaging and shipment.
Shrink wrapping secures the bricks for safe transport.
Each pallet is labeled for precise tracking during shipment.
Automated vehicles transport pallets seamlessly to storage. Pallets are stored efficiently, ready for distribution.
Forklifts prepare pallets for safe loading onto transport vehicles.
Conveyor systems streamline movement from storage to dispatch. Each pallet is positioned and secured for safe transport.
Safety measures ensure no movement during shipment.
Once loaded, trucks are ready to transport the finished bricks. Forklifts return efficiently to retrieve subsequent pallets. Each truck is loaded systematically to maximize efficiency.